are living in an exciting time where technology is central in any industry to grow that industry organizations.
South Florida Tech Hub is a great event to network among peers. If you're job hunting, it's a great opportunity to get out in front of companies. If you're a startup looking to get out in front of funders, we're going to have a pitch competition. We're also going to have networking opportunities.
Pulse is one of those opportunities where you can really advocate for how tech is changing the world. If you want to learn about AI, you want to come to Pulse. If you want to learn how AI can benefit your company, you want to learn about Pulse. We're the opportunity engine for anybody who is in and around tech to learn, absorb, connect, and really transform.
I think at Pulse you can expect to see an entire array of companies. You're for sure going to see some of the Fortune 200 companies, all the way to startups who are raising funds, everything in between, as well as freelancers and self-taught devs and students. So you're going to get everything at Pulse.
If you attend Pulse, you can expect to hear from some amazing speakers about what's happening in the ecosystem, what other companies and organizations are doing, and how you can bring those ideas back to your company to improve and modernize and take advantage of all the technology that's out there.
You can expect that there's going to be a positive energy. You're going to learn something. You're going to walk away different from how you were that morning because you either learned about a new technology or you learned about some forward-thinking ideas that are being propagated here in the South Florida community.
In reality, every company is a tech company these days. You might make money by being a logistics company, moving product from one place to the other. But the reality is that if you're not a tech company, then your competitors are putting you out of business.
If you're looking to network with key individuals in the tech community, if you're looking to find your next job, if you're looking to elevate your career, if you're looking to find that next startup you might want to invest in or become part of, then Pulse is the place for you.
The community should be excited about Pulse because we're bringing national level speakers, thought leaders, and opportunities for people to get together, talk about what's happening in the tech sector, particularly in South Florida, and find ways and opportunities to collaborate together.
Definitely get involved. It's an all-day event. It's going to be about innovation and AI, and it's something you don't want to miss. Tech Hub Pulse is the perfect way to come, to learn, to network, to be exposed to different companies, different career options.
We're very proud in a couple months that we're going to have Tech Pulse at the Broward Convention Center. It's the gathering of the tech leaders, your tech industry, more importantly, business leaders.
Oh, it's a fun day and you get to hang around with a lot of tech folk.
Pulse matters to South Florida tech ecosystem because it puts us on the map as the leaders in this conversation of what's happening in tech in South Florida. See you.
See you at Tech Pulse.